going to give you the link of this video which will be on the YouTube, and I hope that this will help you understand the worksheet today. This is worksheet number 5, dated 30th April, and that will be on Thursday. Today we have to send this worksheet. Now children, as you know, this is my first video for you, and I hope that you all are fine. You're not going out of your house and you're enjoying your stay at home and doing a lot of studies and reading a lot of books and doing good exercise, etc. Okay, without wasting time, I would like to say that this video is linked with worksheet number 5 for the students of class 9 A and B, both the sections. It is geography worksheet. Dear students, you know that I've given you the syllabus for UT1 2020-2021. So the Earth as a planet, geographic, grid, that is latitudes and longitudes, rotation and revolution. So these are the 3 chapters that you will have, and we are dealing with the first chapter, that is Earth as a planet, right? The Earth as a planet. Dear students, make sure that you have read the chapters. I have uploaded the PDF files of the book, few pages of the book. You must have studied those things. Unfortunately, you are not able to come and take the books from the market or from the shop, from the school, etc. But it is because of the lockdown situations. But in this situation, if you are strongly determined to go ahead with your studies and with your activities, then you can do so. That's the reason I have come up with this video. It will help you, I suppose. So here we go. I believe that the first few questions, fill in the blanks from the chapter I have given you. You have done so. You have done those question and answers and fill in the blanks. Now here today I'm going to give you some answers which is there in the book. I mean the PDF files that I have sent. Please check with those, and I'm also telling you these answers. It will help you. So I'm just giving you the answer from the exercise Roman 2. I have given the question fill in the blanks from Roman 1 to 10. All the answers are given in the worksheet. I believe you have checked that. You have checked the answer that you have done. If you have any doubt, you can write your doubt in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you. Now today, short answer questions 1, 2, 3. It is already given previously, right? Now I'm coming to question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 4 questions I'll be telling you the answers. The first question, the 4th question, why is the Earth called watery planet? Very easy. Why is the Earth called watery planet? So it is taken from the book. See the question, you can check page number 10 of your book, and there you will see column 2, the last 2 paragraphs. Check your answer. The answer is the Earth is a watery planet because it has 70% of these. The Earth is a watery planet with 70% of the Earth's surface being covered by water, right? So 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and that is the reason. And then the second point, you can say distribution of water is responsible for moderating the climate and surface condition of the Earth. So these are the 2 points that you can write for the first answer. You will get this answer on page number 10, column 2. Towards the end, last 2 points are there, 2 paragraphs are there. I hope it will help you. It's short answer, it's not a very big answer. Now we come to the second question, that is, what is biosphere, right? Biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow realm. Okay. What is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow realm of contact. Okay, realm of contact and interaction between the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. In fact, it is not between, we should say the interaction among atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere, these 3 spheres, right? On page number 11 you will get this answer, and there is a picture showing three cycles. One is for lithosphere, the other one is for hydrosphere, another one is for atmosphere. So these three spheres together form biosphere. So you can say biosphere is equal to lithosphere plus hydrosphere and atmosphere, right? So this is what is biosphere. That was question number 5. Now we come to the next question, that is 6. Name the condition necessary for life on the earth, right? See, the condition necessary for life on the earth, that is question number 6 of Roman 2. Now you come to page number 12 of your PDF file, or if you have a book, the name of the book is Total Geography for Class 9 ICSC. Just check with that book, and if you don't have that book, I have already sent you the PDF. You can check with that. Come to page number 12, life-giving cycle, right? Various life-giving cycles operate in nature, balancing the factors necessary for life. I'm telling you in short, you can check with that PDF file. Number 1, the different cycles, no? A nitrogen cycle, then carbon cycle, then oxygen cycle. These are very important cycles, right? Number 1, nitrogen, second is carbon, third is oxygen cycle, and then nutrition cycle. What is nutrition cycle? The nutrition cycle represents the relationship between the living and non-living. Okay, nutrition cycle, NUTRITION, nutrition cycle. So this is a relation between these two. So in short, you can come the conditions which are very responsible for the life. Number 1, you see, if you study this part, you will be able to understand biosphere provides all these necessary conditions, right? That is proper light, proper heat, water, food, habitats. So if you write on these points, it will be a good answer. Now name the conditions necessary. So in short, I'm just telling you there are various conditions that these are which are necessary for the life on the earth. Number 1, you can say proper temperature, standard temperature, right, and constant temperature, and light, then water, and food, habitat. These are the conditions important or necessary for the existence of life on the earth, right? All right, fine, dear friends. Now we are coming to the last question of today's discussion. Question number 7. Give any 2 features of the earth that make it a unique planet, right? Unique planet. See, earth is a very unique planet because the earth is the only planet that supports life. Okay, no other planet supports life. Unlike other planets, it is covered with green vegetation, enormous blue-green ocean containing over 1 million islands, a large number of streams and rivers, huge land masses called continents, okay, mountains, ice caps, and deserts. Some form of life thrives virtually in every part of the earth. Okay, so from the coldest part of the poles to the warmest part of the equator, right? Earth has certain features that make it habitable and thus a unique planet. Okay, some of these features are discussed below. You can just check with that page number. I'm just quoting this answer from page number 10. A very first column and very first paragraph has given you this answer. So give any 2 features which features of the earth that make it a unique planet. So you can say number 1 feature. Now I'm not going to ask you to give all the features. So first of all, you can say unlike any other planet, the earth has life on it. That's very important. Then the second feature, you can say it is full of it is water. It has water. Okay, then you can come back to another point. It has oxygen. So you can start with the first one. It is covered. It thrives life. Number 1. Unlike other planet, it is it thrives life. It can help the life to grow. I mean, we find the living beings here. Okay, then there is vegetation, green vegetation. Then there is deep blue sky, oceans, right? So all these things make this planet very unique. No other planet in the solar system you can find these features available. That is why the Earth is a unique planet. Okay, I hope that you liked this video, and if you like it, I know that it will help you in your preparation for the examination, and I hope that I will give you another video very soon with the worksheet. So stay at home, don't go out, and check your worksheet properly regularly. With that note, I would say goodbye. Bye for now. Thank you.